Question 9. Which of the following sets of equipment would be most useful when examining a sample of pond water with a microscope? A. Slides and forceps. B. Eyedropper and slides. C. Eyedropper and scissors. D. Scissors and thermometer.
A. Incorrect. The slides can be used to examine droplets of pond water under a microscope. However, the forceps would not be used in handling water samples. B. Correct. The eyedropper can be used to collect a water sample. Then the sample can be placed on the slide for examination. C. Incorrect. An eyedropper can be used to collect a water sample, but scissors would be unnecessary. D. Incorrect. Scissors are not needed to examine pond water under a microscope. A thermometer might be used to find the temperature of the pond water, but it is not needed to examine pond water under a microscope.